everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question asked in GATE CS set 1 2025 GA question number 5. According to the map shown in the figure, which one of the following statement is correct? A map is given and 4 options are given. It is asking which option is correct according to this map. Option A, the library is located to the northwest of the canteen. So first find where is library. This is the library, and where is the canteen. This is the canteen. Library is located to the west of the canteen. This is west, not northwest. So that's why option A is false. The hospital is located to the east of the chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. This is our hospital. Hospital is located to the north of the chemistry lab according to map. So option B is false as it's written east. It's not east, it's north. Next option C, this is our physics lab. This is our chemistry lab, and it is saying chemistry lab is located to the southeast of the physics lab. So this direction, yes, this is southeast. South and east. So chemistry lab is located to the southeast of the physics lab. This is true. Next option D, the classroom and canteen are next to each other. This is our classroom, this is our canteen. Are they next to each other? No, they are far. If canteen placed here, they might be next to each other. But here is canteen, so they are not next to each other. It's false. Option D is false. We found only option true is option C. The chemistry lab is located to the southeast of the physics lab. If you understand the map, you can easily solve this question. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.